Hey, so if you're trying to connect your soundbar to a Hisense Roku TV using just an optical cable to get louder, clearer sound without any complicated setup, so here I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. So first you have to grab your optical cable and plug one end into your back of your soundbar. Then connect the other end into the optical port on your Hisense Roku TV. At the same time, you just have to make sure your soundbar is powered on. Now grab your TV remote and go to Settings, then Audio and open Audio Output. And from here, you just have to select Optical as your output. So once that's done, the sound should instantly switch to your soundbar. And you just have to keep in mind, after using optical, you won't be able to control volume with your Hisense Roku remote. So you will need to use your soundbar remote for volume and settings. And you're all set to go. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix269 till the end.